It is my favorite, and actually the whole show sort of stemmed from this idea of having myself and all the girls wear the same design. So it started with that. It was meant to be like a photo sort of idea, and then it just grew and grew and grew, and we decided to do a show and incorporated that idea into this. It's definitely more difficult the more you do, because the first time you kind of put in everything and all your thoughts and all your designs and everything, and then you want to make your next collection look different and different colors. But at the same time, I think for me, limited edition has always been, the idea was to make it comfortable and wearable, and girls have to feel like themselves. The idea is not to dress you up and make you feel like somebody else. The whole idea is to make you feel like yourself, feel confident, feel comfortable, and just be yourself. So to keep that in mind and still make a different collection every time. I have an amazing team that's helping me put all of this together. And I specifically want to name Shalina Nathani and Kunal, who've been very, very sort of instrumental in sort of helping me putting this together, but most importantly, understanding my style and then putting it all together. So I want to thank them. I think my mother was a huge influence in the way that I dress today, because she's always dressed very elegantly, very simple, minimalistic, not accessorizing too much. And I think growing up as a young teenage girl, I think the way your mother dresses sort of influences your style at some level. I think my dad, in his own way, has always had his own style.
No, he is, for sure, definitely.
See, all the women agree with me. He had this puff. He still has the puff. He has this side parting puff, and I don't know, I think he's definitely, maybe, I mean, obviously not actor, but definitely one of the most stylish sportsmen our country has seen. My association with Van Heusen. So I think I've always believed that, and I've always said this, that a brand that I endorse has to be an extension of my personality. And I think a brand like Van Heusen, or any brand for that matter, will always look for the same thing in someone who's representing the brand. And I think that's exactly. So why Van Heusen? Because I think it was an interesting idea. Fashion is something that is an extension of, sort of an extension of what I do. I started off as a model. I got the opportunity to work with some of the best talent designers in our country, not just in our country, but globally as well. And somewhere along the line, I think somewhere along the line, that kind of influences or has influenced my own style. So I think it was a natural progression, and somewhere along the line, after having done so many films and played so many different characters, and having dressed for so many events, over the years I've developed my own style. And I thought it would be nice. Every time I go into a store, I always looked at an outfit and said, oh, I wish it had a little bit of something, or I wish it had a little bit less of something. And you kind of imagine your own, a dress being a certain way. And I think that's how Limited Edition by Deepika Padukone came into being. And, I think Van Heusen was also looking for someone who stood for the same values. And that's sort of how it came about. So it's a new venture for me. It's something that I'm trying for the first time, and something that I'm most importantly just having fun doing. Best dressed man for me is Akshay Kumar. I think it's purely his effortlessness that makes him look the way he does. And I think the fact that he's always been so athletic, I think that really adds to the way he carries off clothes. And from the women, I would say Rekha ji, because I think she's someone who's always dressed the way she wants to. Fashion trends have come, trends have gone, but she stands by something, she believes in something, and she has stood by that, and I appreciate that.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.